More than a century of experience backs Grupo Financiero Banorte. This experience, together with our service culture, attention to customer needs, our ability to face challenges, and our commitment to Mexico, differentiate us from our competitors. Founded in 1899 as Banco Mercantil de Monterrey, we became Banco Regional del Norte in 1947. By 1986, we established ourselves as Banco Mercantil del Norte, after the merger with Banco Mercantil de Monterrey and Banco Regional del Norte. The year 1992 was a very important year in our history. Mexico was living a process of reprivatization of the banking sector, and Banorte was acquired by a group of investors, led by Don Roberto González Barrera. Since then, Banorte began a process of consolidation and growth, different mergers and acquisitions, as well as strategic joint ventures. This is how we established ourselves as a universal financial services group with a nationwide presence and a growing retail banking infrastructure. The strength of our operations converted us into El Banco Fuerte de México, Mexico's strong bank, a slogan that was announced in 1999 with the celebration of Banorte's centennial anniversary. As a recognition to our strength, in 2000, Grupo Financiero Banorte received the ratings as a sound bank from Fitch Ratings. In 2001, Banorte continued its expansion strategy with the acquisition of Bancrecer, becoming Mexico's fourth largest bank in the Mexican banking sector. In the following years, our expansion strategies focused in opening new markets with the development of innovative products and services that help position Banorte at the top of the line in acquiring new customers and growing beyond our borders. In 2006, Banorte concluded the acquisition of International Bank with 17 branches in Texas. In 2007, Banorte's customers had at their service more than 1,000 branches and 3,000 ATMs, as well as specialized offices for private banking, a leasing and factoring company, Arrendadora y Factor, insurance, investment management, annuities, and retirement savings fund management, Afore. The astounding growth and soundness of Banorte was recognized with different international awards. The creation and innovation of Banorte Móvil, our mobile banking solution, was also recognized, as well as our first successful issuance of non-guaranteed subordinated debt in the international market for $300 million. 2011 was a very significant year, since the board of directors approved the designation of Guillermo Ortiz as chairman, joining forces with Alejandro Valenzuela as CEO of Grupo Financiero Banorte. 2011 also marked one of our greatest accomplishments with the merger of ICSE, making our financial group the third largest in Mexico. After that merger, Banorte and ICSE together had an infrastructure of 1,285 branches, 6,367 ATMs, and 2,918 third-party correspondents nationwide. The end of 2011 saw the merger of Afore Banorte with Afore 21, the pension fund company of the Mexican Social Security Institute, IMSS. Along with this strategy, Banorte ICSE also reinforced its social responsibility commitment in 4 different areas: protection of the environment, caring about the resources used within the financial group, taking actions to encourage a responsible environmental consciousness, support to the community, being conscious about the community that surrounds us and working for its well-being is our responsibility, ethics and life quality in the company, to encourage professional and personal development in and out of the working place for our collaborators. Value chain, ensuring that those that integrate our supply chain adopt sustainable practices, along with offering products that contribute to the well-being of our society with a positive environmental impact. These actions have also been recognized. Banorte's commitment is with all Mexicans. That is why each day we look to improve all of our services. In 2012, we continued strengthening our long-term retirement savings sector with the acquisition of Afore Bancomer. With this transaction, Afore 21 Banorte grew to 11.75 million affiliates, making us the largest Afore in Mexico. We also introduced different innovative products, such as MiFon, a savings account based in cell phone technology and easily operable via SMS messaging. Pago Móvil Banorte, a state-of-the-art application that is a first in the Mexican market, allows us to perform payment transactions through the cell phone without relying in having the physical debt or credit card present. And Mujer Banorte Mortgage, designed with special benefits to help women realize the dream of owning a house of their own. In a year full of new products and hard work, we also received important recognitions. In September 2012, the call center named after Roberto González Barrera was opened in Monterrey, Nuevo León. With 620 million pesos in investment and more than 131,000 square feet, it will serve Banorte and ICSI's clients through 1,700 specialized officers, mainly college students, through innovative technological platforms and security systems. Moreover, this building reflects Banorte's environmental concern, aiming to operate with maximum energetic efficiency and water consumption savings. By the end of 2012, we celebrated our first national board session with the participation of all the members of our regional boards, the board of directors, and the presence of distinguished international speakers and political leaders. In March of 2013, Grupo Financiero Banorte and IBM announced the formalization of a 10-year strategic agreement that will allow Banorte to create a new customer-centric banking model and substantially improve its efficiency. The agreement seeks to create an expandable and sustainable platform to achieve significant efficiencies, as well as high levels of customer service and segmentation, retention, and contact with clients. This agreement establishes an unprecedented transformational relationship in the Latin American banking industry, setting an example of innovation through an intelligent use of advanced technologies and the adoption of better risk processes. Grupo Financiero Banorte's sound fundamentals and positive outlook were recognized by local and global investors in a recent follow-on offering in the local and international ECM markets. The funds of the equity offering, which amounted to approximately $2.5 billion, were used to pay recent strategic initiatives and strengthen the capital base for our future growth prospects. As a result of Grupo Financiero Banorte's promotional efforts in the Mexican and international markets, a 3.4 times oversubscription was achieved, representing a demand of more than $8.5 billion. In this offering, more than 10,000 Mexican retail investors, 22 Mexican institutional funds, including 4 of the most important Afores, and 160 global institutional funds participated. This primary follow-on offering is not only the largest in Mexico's history, it is also the largest in terms of shares sold through the Mexican Stock Exchange, the greatest from a locally controlled Mexican financial institution, and the 9th most important carried out by a Latin American financial institution. It is also the most important in terms of the amount placed among local investors. In October 2013, Grupo Financiero Banorte acquired Aseguraciones Generales' minority stake in the insurance and annuities companies as a result of our strategic decision to fully operate and control these businesses. This will give us the opportunity to compete more intensively in bank assurance and enhance our profitability. We also launched to the market new products, such as 2 new credit cards, the Platinum and Universe Infinite, which are co-branded with United Airlines. Without a doubt, Banorte is the Banco Fuerte de Mexico, not only thanks to our achievements, but to the socially responsible culture that distinguishes us, as well as the commitment to the people working within our great family. This hard work and determination was recognized once again recently by World Finance, making us the best commercial bank in Mexico for the 4th year in a row. The Banker magazine also recently recognized us with the Best Bank in Mexico award, and Institutional Investor ranked Banorte's top management and investor relations department as one of the top 3 in Mexico and Latin America. We're Mexicans working for Mexicans.